BPSC protest in Patna in Bihar has taken yet another political turn. Jan Suraj Party's Prashant Kishore was arrested by the Patna police early this morning. At about 3:45 this morning, Prashant Kishore was picked up from the Gandhi Maidan area where he had been sitting on a hunger strike. The police men there forcibly removed it. The police's version is that Gandhi Maidan area is not a designated spot for protest, and since Prashant Kishore along with his much talked about vanity van was obstructing the smooth movement of traffic, was obstructing the smooth movement of Patnaites, this decision was taken by the administration. The Jan Suraj Party supporters, however, have slammed Nitish Kumar government, saying that they are anti-students, and Prashant Kishore, who was standing with the students in their protest, has therefore been targeted. So what exactly is this protest all about? This is a protest that has been lodged by the students of Bihar. There was also a lathi charge last week. And all of this began because the students alleged that the Bihar Public Service Commission combined examination had a lot of anomalies, including allegations that the question papers that were given were actually the model test papers that are readily available. Allegations of corruption have also been made by the students. It's an election year in Bihar, and therefore each protest or each semblance of questioning the government is taking political color. Jan Suraj Party's Prashant Kishore student support of these protesting students, and he sat on this hunger strike for 4 days. RJD has now slammed both the Prashant Kishore led party as well as the ruling BJP JDU government. They say that this is Mili Bhagat, or that Prashant Kishore and Nitish Kumar government are hand in gloves. RJD spokesperson has raised a number of questions. He's asking that if Gardani Bagh was always the designated spot for protest, why was Prashant Kishore allowed to sit at Gandhi Maidan in the first place? Why did this police action wait for 4 days, giving Prashant Kishore and his newly found party enough traction? That is why RJD feels that this is a set match, a fixed match between the ruling government and the fledgling party, which is trying to take up the position that it is in favor of youngsters, in favor of youth and students of Bihar. That's exactly the constituency that Tejasvi Yadav has also been targeting, promising the students and the youths of Bihar jobs if he is voted to power. Now, where is matter standing as far as Prashant Kishore's arrest is concerned? After he was arrested at about 3:45 a.m. this morning, there was a lot of confusion about where exactly he has been taken. A number of videos put out by Prashant Kishore supporters on social media allege that he has been manhandled, that policemen also allegedly slapped him. He was taken to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Videos show that a huge number of Prashant Kishore supporters, men and women both, were waiting even at that early hour outside the Patna AIIMS. Reportedly, Prashant Kishore initially refused to undergo any kind of medical test, or he even refused to break his hunger strike, and he was moved out. Even the ambulance which was carrying him, as per the administration, was obstructed. He was subsequently driven around a lot of other places in Bihar. There were reports that he were taken to the Pipalwa Thana in Naubatpur area of Bihar. Subsequently, he is being produced in the Patna court there. Prashant will obviously say that his arrest is illegal. Bail is a possibility, and the Patna police maintains that Gandhi Maidan area is a sensitive area and protesters will not be allowed to gather there. But the big question is that on the original point of the BPSC exams being fraudulently connected, how will Nitish Kumar government ensure that the student community's sense of justice is assuaged? That is the moot point at this moment.